Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today's text come from Luke 4 verses 1 to 4. Listen what it say.
After Jesus get baptized, the Holy Spirit take control of him and make him go in at the desert. Him did dead for 40 days, and for the whole time the devil try hard to make him do wrong. Now Jesus did hungry bad, cause for the 40 days him name nothing. The devil said to Jesus,
"If you a God boy pitney, tell the rock stone if it turn bread."
Jesus answer,
It right down in a God word say, man no live palm bread one.
Think about this. What is a text a teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve him, it make him happy. So we must read him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text par, it make the devil turn far. See you soon.